Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to properly export characters from Blender to Unreal Editor for Fortnite without any issues with scale, bones or animations. Well, go through the entire process step by step, from preparing the model in Blender to importing to UEFN. When using our character model pack, the structure will look a little different. If you're not very confident with Blender, you can watch a detailed video in which we explain how to move the character to 0 coordinates and add the required animation to it. You will find the link to the video in the description of the video. First, it's important to understand that there are multiple ways to export models from Blender. In this video, I show you two methods. The first method is using the standard FBX exporter that comes with Blender. This method requires additional configuration, but it's available in the basic version of Blender. If for some reason it's disabled, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, type FBX in the search field and make sure it's enabled. The second method is exporting using the Better FBX Exported add-on. This add-on is paid, but it allows you to export assets without additional settings and changes. I will show you these methods later. Let's get started. I will export two characters. First, humanoid character and non-humanoid, a dog. I will hide everything unnecessary and leave only the characters visible. Now let's move closer to them. The first thing we need to do is set up the correct units. Go to Scene Properties, set unit scale to 0.01 and change the unit system to centimeters. This is important because Unreal Editor works in centimeters, and without this step, the scale will be incorrect. Now select the character rig. You can do this in the viewport or in the hierarchy. After that, press Alt+G to reset the character location to the world's origin. Next, scale the character up by 100 times. Select the rig, press S, type 100, and press Enter. Let's check the scale. Open the side panel with N hotkey, go to the Item tab and make sure the scale value is 100 on all axes. Now, select the character together with their rig and apply transformation. Press Ctrl+A, apply, all transform. Perfect. Now the scale is 1:1:1 for all axes, which is a required condition before exporting. There is one important thing to be aware of with this method. After applying the scale, animations may behave incorrectly. All bones that have location keys can start behaving improperly. Most commonly, the hips bone. The manual fix will be to open each animation, select the hip bound, go to the graph editor and scale the location course on the Y-axis by 100. But if you have many animations, doing this manually is not practical. This is why we create a script that automatically fixes all animations for all selected rigs. You'll find the link to the script in the video description. Here is how to use it. Open the script and copy its contents. In Blender, open the text editor, click New, paste the script and press Run Script. The script adds a Happy Tools tab to the side panel. Open it. Select the required relics and click the single button. Done. All animations are fixed automatically. Now, in the hierarchy, select the character, press F2 and copy its name. Then, first select the mesh, then select the rig. Go to File, Export, FBX. In the export settings, enable selected objects. Set Apply Scaling to all local. In the Armature tab, enable only deformed bones. Disable Add Leaf Bones. If you need animations, enable Animation Expert, but disable all actions. Paste the character name and export the FBX file. Now let's take a look at the second export method, Better FBX Exporter. This method is much simpler. No additional preparation steps are required. You don't need to change the unit system, fix animations, or do anything else. However, let's return the scene to its default settings by setting unit scale to 1 and length to meters, or simply reopen the project. Then select Mesh and then Rig. Go to the File menu, Export Better FBX Exporter. Set the following options: Selected Objects, Rigify Amateur, Keyboard Bone, Only Define Bones. If you need animation, click Animation, and change All Analyte Tracks. Write a character name. Select Better Export Objects. Now, import the characters to UEFN. Drag them by FBX file into the project and make sure animation import is enabled. Now, test the animation to confirm everything works correctly. Now, import the character into UEFN. Drag them by FBX file into the project and make sure animation import is enabled. Now, test the animation to confirm everything works correctly. Drag the skeleton mesh into the scene. In the detail panel, select an animation. As you can see, everything worked correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!